Hey guys, so I am back with a weight gain, fitness, weight loss journey slash video. Okay, so this video is all about how I gain weight or lose weight. I'll get this question asked quite a lot, so I decided to do this video today to help you guys out, whether you want to lose weight, gain weight, or just to keep fit while you are at home. All right, so I'm gonna jump and start off by saying I am not really a professional, but I am qualified as a child nutritionist, so I can help pregnant people or moms. I can help children and kids from 0 to 16. So I am definitely here to help anybody that wants help. And if you want any more advice or any more help, don't hesitate to comment and ask me in the description. No, so description, the comment section. Okay. um but I'll put all my details, whatever I can remember, to put in the description for you guys. So I work out at home. As you guys can see, I work out quite a lot at home. I have been building my gym for the past 5 years at home, so I was quite prepared for this whole situation that we're in right now, which is unfortunate for people that love the gym and love going to the gym. But for me, as a mom and a mom of four now, I had to learn how to work out from home because it is all I could do at the time. It was super convenient. It was cheap for me, and I can easily be my own babysitter while I can watch my kids and work out at the same time. And with doing that, it helps me to gain weight and lose weight and just monitor everything in between. So when I started to gain weight, I normally used to take a vitamin, but now I stopped taking a vitamin. I'm making my own shakes almost every day, twice a day. Sometimes I'm drinking shakes, whether it be smoothies or protein shake. I'm drinking something. So I've got lots of videos for you guys, and if you want more inspiration, don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram. I've got loads of videos for you guys to check out. I even got a cooking page I just started not too long ago, so you guys can follow me on that as well. So whether you want cooking videos or fitness videos, I got you covered. All right, but I do love blending up some good smoothies and shakes, and I did create an ebook for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and also buy my ebook where you get 30 pages. All right, this is just the first page. This is the first ebook, and there's many more to come, but with this first one is for weight gaining. So if you want to gain weight, you can definitely try out my protein shake, or as I say, my weight gain shake ebook. And also follow me on TikTok, because I'm showing so much over there on my weight gain journey and also my fitness journey and anything fun in between. All right. One of the many things that's been helping me while I'm on my weight loss journey was drinking sea moss and just drinking a lot of healthy, detoxing, refreshing smoothies every day or every other day. I also like taking a lot of infused water, but if I don't do that, as I said, I love taking in sea moss, and I've created my own sea moss infused gel you guys can actually purchase right now too. I've been working hard this all past year and a half, guys. So yeah, you can purchase these infused sea moss gels. I got 4 different types right now, or actually about 5 types. Got a plain one and 4 different flavored ones. Really good. Gonna help you to lose weight, keep your immune system and your body strong, everything fit and strong. And this is what I'm all about, and this is what this channel is about, and this is what sharing is about right now for me, to share with you guys everything that I'm doing and that's been helping me and my kids. So yeah, eat healthily, exercise, and make sure you drink your water and drink some healthy fruits and veggies that you can't actually eat, because not everybody can eat veggies and fruits. But if you can drink it, that'll be so much better for you. And I intuitively eat, so I don't cut out anything unless I feel like I need to. And you can do that the same too if you're not on a restrictive diet or follow a certain dietary plan. Mix it a little bit together, and there you have a yummy rice bowl. I will be also making lots more rice bowl dishes, oatmeal dishes, all sorts of dishes on my channel. So please don't hesitate to stay tuned, keep watching. And as I said, if you want to see any more videos or get any more tips how to gain weight, which I'm showing you right now in this video, I gained lots of weight in this video right here, and I was really happy at that time. Even though I did got a little bit of fupa, I was still happy. I went to 44 to 45 inches around the waist, or the hips I should say. So I did get quite thick. I went up to 150 pounds, and that was my goal. I actually reached 160, but I thought that was too much for my height. But yeah, this is me at 155, almost 160 pounds. I got a very athletic body if I work out quite a lot. So you have to try and find out your body type as well if you really want to know how to work out, how much to work out, what kind of protein and carbs and all of that you need every day. So you have to be mindful if you don't want to bulk up too much or cut too much when you're weight gaining or losing weight. I started to lose a little bit of weight here because I wanted to tone down my waist area. This was like about 2 years ago after I reached 160, so I thought let me just cut down and maybe go back to 155, which I thought was alright size for my height because I'm only 5'5". So make sure you look up and do your research, guys, about your height, your weight, and how much you really want to be, because you don't want to be too heavy for your height and then you can't really manage or even be healthy anymore. But definitely check out all these protein shakes. You can even take some of these protein shakes if you want to lose weight or just to keep fit and just keep your protein intake up. I love making fruits, and I don't care if it's frozen, I don't care if it's fresh, as long as it gets into my tummy. So I'm definitely encouraging you guys to go ahead, get some frozen fruits, get your favorite fruits, and just try and blend up something. You can definitely even just start off by blending 1 and 2 of your favorite fruits daily, and you definitely start feeling very, very good within your mind, body, and soul. You feel more energized, you feel more better to get up and get things done, especially during the winter seasons. I love cooking and I love sharing it with you guys. This was a previous video from the other day where I cooked this lovely chicken wings, so look out for more cooking videos where I'll be showing you guys. Even though I like to do weight gain videos, I will definitely be showing you guys some weight loss videos or videos just home good comfort food cooking. I definitely want to share with you guys everything that I love to cook and stuff that I've learned from my family along the way, and also stuff that I learned growing up in Jamaica. As you guys don't know, if you don't know, now you know. I'm Jamaican. Caribbean food is super good, but I also like to try out many different foods from all over the world. So if you guys want to see mukbangs or anything like that, let me know, because I used to do that as well, but I stopped a long time ago. But nothing wrong with starting it back up again. But I love talking to you guys. I hope I shared enough with you guys. When it comes to weight loss and weight gaining, all you have to do is eat in moderation, follow your mind, eat intuitively, and just go with the flow. Don't be too hard on yourself, don't pressure yourself, and don't get discouraged along the way. All right, but I'm here to help you guys. As I said, I'm not going anywhere. This is just the start of it. So stay tuned, keep watching, and make sure you share my videos with anybody that's on this journey. We can all do this at home together. All right, it doesn't have to cost a thing unless you want to go ahead and purchase my ebook. But until then, guys, stay tuned, keep watching, and love and live your life to the best as you can. All right, take care, guys.